Belinda. Shh, shh, shh. Belinda. Hey, what are you watching there? Huh? Shh. Belinda. What's that? Shh. Bug. Bug. Saan po ka dahil gili-gili di ay? Belinda, come. Come here, come. Hey. Shh. What's that sound? Hey. Shh. Belinda. What are you watching there? Belinda? Do you hear anything? What's that? Tick tock, tick tock. Wait, what's that? Huh? Oh, what's that? Do you hear anything? Huh? No. What's that? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. That's a clock sound, right? Let's see what time is it. Let's see what time it is. It's already 10:43 p.m. So it's time for me to sleep soon. But first, I need to clean the carpet. Look, the carpet. Look at all your mess. You're such a naughty cat, Belinda. But luckily, you're so cute. Come, come. Sleepy also. Come. Come here. Come. Baby Belinda. What's that? Tired? Are you tired? Oh, my Belinda is tired now. You're still tired? Come here, come. Come here. Belinda. What's that? Huh? What's that? That's a clock sound, right? Hey? Do you still have energy left? Or no more? No more extra energy for climbing up? Shh. Belinda, are you listening? Nag-ignore. Shh. Come here na. Belinda. Belinda, come here. Belinda, why so itchy? Uy, so itchy, ah? Come here, come beside me. Belinda. Hey, what's that sound? Finish your food. Belinda? Psst. Hey. Siglan tao sa clock eh. Finish your food and go back to bed after. Psst. Come na. Tomorrow I need to wake up early and clean our home. Are you listening? Yeah? Come here, come. Finish your food and then go back to bed. Okay? What's that? Come here na. Yeah, another sound. Uy, that's elevator. Come here na. What's that again? What's that? Yeah. Very good. Okay. Bedtime. Bedtime na cute-cute Belinda. So cute. Cute na baby. Uy. Uy. Yeah, stretch your legs. Stretch. Uy. You're such a baby. Uy. Samo is coughing. Samo is coughing. Hi, Belinda, so cute. Good night. Good night, darling. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Baby Belinda. Baby Belinda. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. What are you watching or thinking? What are you watching or thinking about? Huh? Aren't you hungry? Huh? Aren't you hungry? Nah. Eat your food. Eat your food, nah. Finish your food. Belinda is sleepy. Sleepy Belinda. What's that? Natulog ka mo ang kat-kat. Natulog naman ni siya. Naghayang. Nagbilangkad among kat-kat. Nag-sleep na siya. Your puppy is coming home soon. Do you miss him? Do you miss him so much? Belinda? Do you miss him so much? Tomorrow we can buy some of your favorite food, okay? Tomorrow we can buy some of your favorite food. Nahutdan man kag food. Nabili ng ang snacks na lang and you don't like that. My cutie, cutie. What's that? That's a fly. Oh. That's a fly, Belinda. Good night, baby. You're sleepy na. You're sleepy. You're sleepy. Wait, close your eyes. Sleepy. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Wait, bilangkad. What did you do the whole day? Huh? That you're so tired? That you're tired now? What did you do the whole day that you're tired now? Huh? You tired, baby?